welcome to Rowing Tidbits with Natalie. I was recently on vacation in Europe and saw something really cool, rowing related, that I thought I would share. I was on a boat tour in Strasburg, which is on the border of Germany and France, and saw this. In case you didn't know where that is, that's the European Union, and I thought it was cool that his everyday row was right in front of that. Sadly, I don't know who he is, so I only included a short clip because I didn't want to show his face without his permission. I hope you liked this fun break from technical rowing, and we'll get back to technical rowing soon.